In this video, we are going to talk about Unit 8 of MSO 002. We will discuss hermeneutics, its meaning, origin, and scope. This is an important topic. It's been asked for more than 4 times. We will discuss jargon, Habermas. We will also see question, compare and contrast phenomenology and hermeneutics. It's been asked for 2 times in exam. Hermeneutics means interpretation of tradition. It is a way of understanding mythology to know social reality better. The Greek word hermeneus or hermenia means to interpret or to interpret. The two main tradition division of social science means explanation of social phenomena through search of cause, and second is to understand and interpret meaning of social action. Science of interpretation after 15th century was used in education. Feature concept of hermeneutics. First, it is a part of methodological quest to understand the social reality. Second, science of interpretation, rule or set of procedure to interpret something. Third, in-depth study. It is applied as a method in sociology. Fourth, toolbox for efficiently treating problem of interpretation of human action. The founding father of hermeneutics is Friedrich Schleiermacher. Wilhelm Dilthey, he was a German, said, "Meaning keeps on changing, thus interpretation seems liquid as it has no fixed rules and laws." Hermeneutics in positivist debate, one side insisted on the human historical, cultural or social science having their own methodology. Distinction from that of natural science was named as hermeneutics. It originated from Hermes as a messenger bot interpret what God said. During Reformation, hermeneutics came, and during Renaissance, it led to humanist hermeneutics. During Justinian, that is 20th century, generated Judaization hermeneutics. These were the 4 stages how hermeneutics origin. Schleiermacher brought all these 4 and other elements together. He believed that human beings have a linguistic disposition and their linguistic competence enables them to understand the utterance of others. Hermeneutics is an art and every utterance can be understood through interpretation. Speech can be understood in 2 tasks: grammatical interpretation and psychological interpretation. In grammatical interpretation, linguistic aspect is seen, and in psychological interpretation, it recovers individuality and originality of a speaker or writer. Comte have given 3 stages of positivism that we have already discussed many times. Dilthey say humans have consciousness unlike other natural objects. He opposed Comte. For Dilthey, understanding in a category of human life and they act according to a situation. Object of understanding is always a life expression of 3 classes. The 3 classes are as follows. First, concept, judgment, large thought structure. Second, action from another class. And third, lived experience. Elementary form of understanding give rise to higher form of understanding. Etymology and hermeneutics insisted that instead of explaining social action by citing either structures or intention as cause, the social scientists need to understand the meaning of acting. Enrico Betti and Hans Georg Gadamer talked about universal hermeneutics as study of being and ultimately the study of language, because being that can be understood in language. George Habermas, he was a Marxist Freudian theorist. The history of human sciences show that human beings pursued knowledge in order to fulfill 3 interests. First is empirical, analytic science in a technical control, and second is cultural science in practical, and third is critical science is in emancipation. Habermas called the method of psychological analysis a form of that hermeneutics, which incorporates explanation and understanding into science oriented towards methodological and self-reflection. Human beings, unlike objects in nature, have a consciousness and an understanding of what it is and that they are doing. Systematically distorted communication, something that seems unfamiliar or lack of understanding which remains even when the action is conceptualized. Let's see what is phenomenology and hermeneutics. Phenomenology aims to clarify, describe, make sense of structure and dynamics of pre-reflective human experience, whereas hermeneutics aims to articulate the reflective character of human experience as it manifests in language and other forms of creative science. Paul Ricoeur also sees psychoanalysis as a type of hermeneutics but not of faith, that is animated by willingness to listen and by a respect for the object as revelation of scared, rather of suspicion, animated by a skepticism towards the given and a rejection of respect for the object. Now let's see the relevance and scope of hermeneutics research. It emphasizes subjective interpretation in research of meaning of text, art, culture, social phenomena, and thinking. Social hermeneutics recently became increasingly important for the analysis of several types of data such as text, gesture, picture, and many more. It also includes scientific understanding, that is, interpretation depends on reasoning and questioning. Positivism and hermeneutics are interlinked as they both talk about scientific interpretation. Researchers need to devote the attention to interpretation of meaning of social action. If you have any doubt or query, you can comment down below or contact us on Telegram or Instagram. We will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. In next video, we will talk about Unit 9 and we will discuss historical context of comparative method, its uses, nature, scope and dimension. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.